Alright guys, my name is Alia Randari and I would like answer your question for today presenter. Who gonna ask first?
Can you tell me about IELTS writing band 3? Band 3 and 4.
Bench 3 and 4, what? Oh, the bench 3 and 4. In that writing, so
Yeah, that's one writing.
test when writing, you ask about the test or the band? Both of that. Band in the test one. In the writing, right? So I think for when we got the band 3 until 4 in the writing, especially the test achievement in the test one, it means like we not really so before that the test one is like how we can explain based on the data, so we can explain the data more well when we are do our writing. So if we got the 3 until 4 bands in the writing, it means we cannot explain well about the data in the test one, the data well. I think that's okay.
Please explain the difference between band 5 and band 6 in writing.
In writing, what is the aspect? Anything? What the like they have 4 aspect, right? Which aspect that you ask about the band? Like the test achievement, right? The first aspect, right? The first aspect is test achievement. I think it's same with the previous question, but it's band 5 under 6, right? It's kinda you can writing like the essay or you can writing the essay based on the topic that they choose very well and neat, but sometimes you make a mistake. For example, you make a grammatical mistake in that. I think that's all. Or the 4 aspect category. Okay, the first one is task achievement. We have taste 1 and taste 2, and then the second one we have lexical cohesion, and then the third one we have the third one we have vocabulary. I forget the name of the aspect, and then the last one we have grammatically.
What happened if the test paper got band 5? What challenges that the test paper have if they got band 5?
In both, in writing and
Writing.
in writing, I think the challenge is same like the previous question. It's like we can make a sentence, but what the sentence that we are write is like the simple. This is like a simple sentence. Like we can like our vocabulary is limited. So also we have the grammatical. We don't have grammatical right in that when we are writing. So I think that is the struggle when we got the 5 band 5 in the IELTS writing.
Do you think it's possible to get band 0 even if you participate?
Even
You participate.
I think no, because 0 it's mean you don't follow the IELTS course. It's not possible because I think even there is no, even we get like the bad wrong or bad English, I think like maybe we can get 1 until 2, or you not in the writing class you don't fulfill anything in your answer paper. The other question like 1 minute left guys. Wait.
Can you tell me what it is? You know the IELTS writing one, there's like a task.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what that is?
The task, I think it's in the task achievement, right? They have 2 tests. You ask about that, right? The first one is like based my understanding is about you explain something in your paper, you writing about the based on the data, but the second one is about essay that you can have the argument in your essay. 20 seconds. I think it's okay because it's just 10 seconds left.
Which one do you think is the hardest? Speaking or writing?
I think it's writing. Speaking also. Because we produce something, right? Thank you, guys. They allergic to use Wi-Fi, you know. Allergic. Come on, guys, don't wasting the time. I have the other. Three more? Three? Three. But we just like one group left. One group left. Hafiz group, I don't know which one group. So how about two group? How to materialize? I don't know. Ano say that? Random pick. Just
Blind pick.
blind pick. O, paano sila? Alright guys, my name is Ali Landari. I will be your presenter today. So if you wanna ask the question, who gonna ask the question?
Is pronunciation important in speaking?
What?
Is pronunciation important in speaking?
Yes, because in the writing band descriptor, sorry, you will assess with the examiner will assess your fluency. It means if your pronunciation is when you not fluency or you get wrong in your pronunciation, will be affect your band in IELTS. Alright, it's two-faced or not?
It's alright.
Okay, Tata. Yeah.
Can you explain about the grammatical accuracy in writing?
Okay, so in writing, grammatical accuracy is when we are, for example, like we do our essay for the topic in the IELTS, we must have the grammatical accuracy in the our writing. If we get don't have grammatical accuracy in our writing, it can be also influence our band because it's one of the assessment to the examiner. Minor. Okay, go on. Yeah, in writing. Huh?
Categorize the band like band 1, band 2.
And then
The measurement for the grammatical accuracy.
in the grammatical accuracy. I think it's like from the 9 until yeah, you asked about it, Ben, right? 9 until 7. It means like you have grammatical correctly when you do the right thing. But it's 6 until 5. You do the grammatical correctly when you are writing, but you still have the mistakes. But in the 2 until 1, you have made me a lot of mistakes. But 0 is you don't take the exam or you not fulfill the writing test. Oh, yeah.
Alright, in IELTS speaking, which band that shows a significant improvement for the test technique? For example, maybe in the band 7 to 8 shows a significant improvement. Why?
Oh, what the aspect to show the significant or the just band?
Yeah, which band that shows a significant improvement?
I think it's 7 until 8, especially in the maybe in the pronunciation. It means like you have fluency when you are speaking, but you still make a mistake. For example, you make a mistake in the pronunciation, but it still show the improvement when you do the IELTS test. I think it's I don't know. It's 1 minute left. The other. Yeah. Okay. It's okay.
Is your memory full?
No, it's okay. Just wait.
IELTS test, which band will you just
When I got in my like knowledge, your opinion, I think I will get 5.5. I think 5.5. But if I have like what is it, weight change, maybe I will learn until I maybe like at least I get a 6.5. At least the required is 6.5, right? When we do do a board, yeah, 6.5, right? How about you guys? Just say the points. You 8, 9.
Oh, thank you. I'll take that.
Yeah. 6. How about you? 6. How about you?
Middle.
But do you think like the people like what is like the other people outside our major, it will be have high expectation with us when we are get the IELTS? What you want to tell if they are like, oh, you can get 7 or 8? You think we are learn about the IELTS, no?
Because I have a friend who lived way longer in America rather than in Indonesia. She still got 6 or 5.
6. Oh, depends on the person.
In English, IELTS is way harder than
You bring your helmet, Evelyn?
Yes.
It'd be wet. The smells.
Wet, dry.
Thank you, guys. Please ask hard the question. I'm master of this material because I know I will present today. No, not really. What?
This founding partner.
In the writing.
There is a founding father. Founding mother.
I don't know. I'm not. I don't know which part you read. Is it? Is it exist in the part? Are you sure? Please don't ask. Please don't ask question like not exist in the our reading material. Alright guys, Alia Ulandari, I will be your presenter today. So who gonna ask first?
You go first.
Okay, Alpha first.
In your opinion, what is the main purpose on writing Ben's description?
Okay, in the band descriptor is cohesion. I think it's cohesion is important in our writing because how we can develop our writing when we do the test is very important because when we mainly know about the vocabulary and also the cohesion, it will be make our writing test or our work in the writing, it will be neat and we can have maybe band like 7 until 6 when we master of that. I think
What criteria that band 8 and 9 in writing should have?
9.
8 and 9.
Which aspect? All of the aspect. Okay, maybe I will explain the first aspect. This first aspect in the test achievement. So in the band 8 until 9, the first test is like how you can explain based on the data in your writing, right? In your writing. But in the test 2, how you can combine your essay with the grammatical correct, with the cohesion, like lexical and cohesion, and what is the word choice or vocabulary that you are used in your writing. So if you got 8 until 9, it means like you do perfectly in your writing. You don't make your mistakes.
It's the same, but I want to ask the lexical resource in band 3 and 4 in writing.
Lexical in the writing. It means like
3 and 4.
band 3 and 4, like you still write the writing, but you have limited vocabulary and also the what we call the relation between the topic that you choose that you get to writing the essay, for example, it's not really develop your writing. It like I can say like it's like not really makes sense. It's not logical when you do the writing. It's not like have the relation with the topic. I think it's for band 3 and 4. Like you still write, but you have a lot of mistakes when you do the writing.
Can you explain about the band 6 and
7 and okay. So maybe in the 6 and 7, right? It's used make up perfectly. Not really perfectly. You have a lot of vocabulary or word choice that you use, and then the grammatical accuracy, and also the lexical and cohesion you do is perfect. But sometimes in some of your sentence you still make a mistake. For example, like the grammatical, not grammatically, and also your vocab is limited sometimes in some of the sentence, and maybe that is your writing is not really some of the part it can be not logical, but it's not a lot of mistakes that you make, but you still make mistake in your writing.
Can you explain about the Can you explain about the whole criteria?
The criteria,
Criteria. The band description.
like the aspect.
Maybe
So the criteria that the examiner do when we do our writing test, it's the first one is about the test achievement that I explained before. Is how we can explain based on that data and how we can explain more logical and also our grammatical accuracy and our word choice, like what is the vocabulary that we use. So if like we use many vocabulary or word choice that we combine in our writing, we can get more band in our IELTS. And also and also we use many idioms in our writing. It can be criteria or aspect too. I think that's all. The other question. Audio. Yes, sir. Thank you, guys. Alright guys, my name is Alia Wulandari, so I will be your presenter today. So who gonna ask the first question?
do you know the differences between class 1 and class 2 on the writing?
Okay, so based on my understanding, test 2 is how we can explain our rating based on the data or the diagram. But the test 2 is more like how we can make like essay 1, like how we can essay and how we can write in like many our opinion in the writing. I think that's the difference. Una first? Una? Okay, Una.
What do you think the problem that, like the common problem that faces by the test taker when they do the test?
They say the examiner.
Yeah,
Which one? Both or writing?
maybe speaking.
Speaking. I think the speaking is the examiner, right? Not the participant, right?
The participant.
Oh, the participant.
The problem.
The
common problem.
the participant, not the text. Oh yeah, test. Sorry. So maybe the main problem is, I think many people is already fluency when they are speak the English, but it's the really big problem how they can elaborate their when they got the topic. For example, they got the topic to explain about the climate change, climate change. They don't know about the topic very well, but they fluency when they speak English, so they can be problem because they cannot elaborate when they are speaking. They just maybe explain the general for in the general way for like blah blah blah, but they cannot explain more about what the topic is. It. I think that is the main problem because I think the fluency we can learn about the fluency, but we cannot expect it about what topic when we take the IELTS.
Do you think the ability of yapping can be helpful in the speaking?
Yapping is when you speak a lot of thing, right? But it depends what you also yapping. If that is something that is not really important, I think it's not will be help. But it's something important that is related to the academic things. I think it will be help too. And I think it's more relation between if you can yapping, even that is in the academic thing, you will get best score in your speaking. I think.
Do you think if we add some pillars like
Yeah.
it can decrease our score or not?
I think yes. It in the fluency, because in the fluency, if we like use like the pause, I don't know what it's called. Fillers, right? Yeah, so like the filler or pause, like it means like we it doesn't mean we not fluency, but it can be like we think a lot of what we want to say. So it means we don't have a lot of vocabulary, or we don't have ability to what we want to talk about. How we can elaborate the topic to speak is not very well. So I think it can be decrease our score too.
What do you think the test takers can do before doing the speaking test to improve the score?
I think it's like they also do the exercise to speak with the other people to develop their fluency, but also they still to learn about the vocabulary. So they still like to explore the many vocabulary that is will exist in the exam because we cannot expect what topic that we will get when we are do the speaking test, right? The other question, guys, I think it's like I don't know, it's how many time
Do you think using blender helpful in the
speaking which one the brain rot that you mean? 6, 7. I don't know. I think it's something that is jokes. It's not related to academic. It cannot be helped in our academic things or tests. Not only academic, is how you show your ability when you are speak the English language. That ability that maybe can be required. The IELTS can be required to go to the other country. But what?
If the question is about the grammar, I think you can explain it.
Yeah, if the question they talk about if we brand rot right, we got the brand rot right. You follow the KSA again, no? You follow the KSA. Huh? What is the screw? Definition of screw? Difficult? Complicated? You get bad experience? Yeah, because I think it's very complicated and make you busy. Yeah, because we just like 1 year left. All right. Like in the last bulan dari